This video tutorial explains how to request COVID-related personal protective equipment, sanitizing supplies, and other materials. Once you're in a web browser, you can navigate to the famous self-service portal and then click on Service Requests and create a service request. You can review your requester information, although if you need to change it, you'll need to change it in the PeopleSoft directory. This is a read-only section. You may also enter an alternate requester or alternate phone. Then click Next. Click on the COVID-19 services, and you'll drill down through PPE and supplies to request. You're required to enter your chart string, and be sure in the purpose code segment to enter 2020, which identifies this as a COVID-19 related expense. Then in the description of work, you can replace the hashtag for the quantity of the items that you're requesting. I need some glasses and some gloves. Please note that vinyl may be substituted for nitrile gloves. Nitrile gloves are difficult to source at this moment, and so please select vinyl gloves when possible. Applications for nitrile gloves include folks who are in direct contact with bodily fluids or that are involved with direct human contact. So I'll order some large vinyl gloves, and when I'm done, I'll click Next. You can select the location where you want the materials delivered by drilling down through into the site, building, floor, and room, then click Next. Now you'll be able to review your order, and then you can either cancel to start over or hit Finish. At this point, you could attach a file where you can go back to service requests. Thank you for watching this short video. Stay safe, be well.